Well, good morning, everybody. This morning we had relatively calm conditions. There was just a real slight breeze, and I haven't gotten to fly my drone in quite a while, so I thought I'd take it out and do an aerial drone footage of my fence. And just because I needed to practice flying, so anyway, I thought I'd film the fence and see how this worked out. So as you can see, it's pretty damn calm right now. There is a wind that started picking up coming down the hill, so it started messing with me. But anyway, enjoy. Yeah, you get a pretty good view of the fence. Yeah, it's only a 4-minute video, so it's not too long. And I'm actually gonna fly this thing right through the gate, and that'll be the end of this video. But yeah, you can see the trade wind clouds off behind me, and this is the mango tree right there's the mango tree. So we got the ficus behind it and the mango tree. And yeah, we get caught by the breeze. There are a couple of breezes that mess with me. One coming down the mountain and one little trade wind push that came in, gust. Also, I had one point where I actually had to set the thing down because my phone fell off the controller. And so I set it down just before I did my flight through the gate. So on this side, the bamboo fence is on the inside of the rocks, the rock wall. And then the other side, the bamboo fence is in front of the rock wall, so you can't really see it. So here was my attempt at getting through the gate when my phone fell off the controller. And anyway, I'm going to come back. Yeah, the gusts kind of got me there, so I had to bring it back. And I was going to try again to get through the gate. Okay, it was right here where the phone actually fell off. And then I had to set it down. Okay. So now I'm picking it up and getting it reset to fly again. Alright, so this was the tricky part, getting it through the gate. And then that'll be the end of the video. Just I got through the gate, and actually I don't know why it stopped. I think I accidentally hit the photo button, but anyway, here we go. Yeah, I managed to get it through the gate without dropping it, so that was pretty good. All right, well, hope you like it.